I'm getting ready to cut my wire, and I'm just going to measure this from that box up to here, let's say 5 feet, and I want it, I'll just stick out like a foot both ways. So at least a piece 7 foot long. I don't like to skimp on wire. You know, I can always trim off the edges, the ends later. 7 feet at least. So I'll measure my wire, cut that, get ready to go. It's always the easiest to fish when you're fishing a wire down. Put it from the top box on down and just let gravity do its thing. Now I got insulation in this wall. You just have to be kind of careful, and I try to keep it up against this side of the wall, or it's going to get all tangled up in the insulation. So I just kind of kept pushing it down, and pushing it down there. And what do we have here? Voila. There it is. I think you's gonna be an electrician when you grow up.